Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Magaverse token. Ticker symbol is MVRS. Now this token is trending number 2 right now in the Solana section on DEX Screener. Very popular token. Trailing right behind it in the number 3 spot is the Unicorn Fart Dust token, another very popular token. But I have not talked about Magaverse yet. Has a huge trading volume, huge market cap, very popular meme coin. We're going to go over the information on the Magaverse token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, this token, you can find their Twitter up in the corner of the screen right here, as usual, at MVRS, which is the ticker symbol. It says, a new dawn of leadership, a united vision of the future, the superheroes that saved America, the Magaverse on Sol. Now they have here a link to their webpage you can find right there on the Twitter, which is mvrs.wtf. They just joined Twitter September 2024, 616 followers and 11 tweets so far. And you can see all the Magaverse members up there. Looks like Donald and his son. What do we got? Elon. What is that? Robert F. Kennedy Jr. Probably Vivek is one of them. And then who's the bald guy? I don't know who the bald guy is. I mean, I'm Canadian, so I don't know a lot of this stuff here. But anyways, in their pinned tweet, they do have the contract address. It says, we decided to take over this amazing narrative once we saw the dev dumped all of his tokens on pump.fund. So this seems to be a community takeover token, a CTO, and we can actually verify that on DEX Screener in a second. It says, welcome to the Magaverse. Then it has the contract address. It does end in pump, so this token was created on pump.fund. And then they have a Telegram here. So this is the new Telegram at MVRS Crypto, which has 1,619 subscribers and has the contract address on the Telegram as well. And you could preview the Telegram channel before joining. But yeah, where's the bald guy? That's weirding me out a little bit. Oh, maybe that's not even Vivek. That is the guy on the far right is the vice president guy. What's that guy's name again? I forget now. It'll come to me. It'll come to me. It's been a long day. Who is this bald dude? Is that... Oh, it's Dana White. Okay, I got it now. I figured out the Magaverse. But that picture now looks like Vivek, so... I don't know. Maybe the vice president guy is not included in this Magaverse. He got the boot. Jim? Is it... No, Tim? No, Tim Walls is the other guy. Anyways, I'm way off here. I'm on a tangent. Let's check out the webpage here. On the webpage, mvrs.wtf, they have the charts, the DEX Tools DEX Screener chart, where you can see how the token's doing. You can also see it on Bird Eye. Wow, they made Dana White look horrible in here. They have the socials on the webpage, frequently asked questions, how to buy. So how do you buy this token? First of all, you would need a wallet that can store Solana tokens. So you could use a Trust wallet, MetaMask wallet, Solflare wallet, Phantom wallet. Any one of those wallets would do. You could download one of those wallets from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store or get a Chrome extension on your PC. You would then fund that wallet with Sol. Now, you can fund your wallet with Sol from a central exchange, and there is a list of central exchange links that you could use down there in the description box. You would then, using that contract address, you could find right there on their Twitter or on their webpage or Telegram. You'd go into the dApps, find Radium, use the contract address, and change your Sol for the Magaverse token. You probably will not have to set slippage because I haven't seen anything about taxes, but you will have to pay a little bit of gas fees. And this token could also be available on other dexes like Meteora, Jupiter, Orca, etc. So it says, a new dawn of leadership, united vision for the future, superheroes. Welcome to the Magaverse. Mvrs is a culture forged by those who stood up and saved America. Inspired by icons of strength and unity, we stand on the brink of a new era, a renaissance of power, progress, and pride. For the next 4 years, our heroes will shape a future more resilient than ever before. This is the Magaverse. We are the Magaverse inscribed on Solana. The best is yet to come. 1 billion total supply, liquidity burned, launched on pump.fun. We saw an amazing narrative and a greedy dev who dumped all of his tokens. That's when we stepped in and took over this powerful narrative for the people. We represent a culture of resilience, unity, and vision, a collective of those who believe in the strength of America's future, with the leaders who stand for it. MVRS, has a standard pump.fun tokenomics. And then it has how to buy, showing with a phantom wallet. Then it has frequently asked questions. Why was this created? Why launch on Solana? Will I profit? How can I get involved? Who represents the Magaverse? And then there's more links at the bottom of their webpage here. Now, this token is doing amazing. Right now it's up 29.4%. Trending number 2 on DEX Screener. Market cap is $15.6 million, and that is also their fully diluted valuation. They have a 24-hour trading volume of $20.3 million. They've had 135,330 transactions just today. Token price is about 1.58 cents per token. They have $671,000 worth of liquidity in Radium, and according to DEX Screener, 99.98% of that total liquidity is locked and burned. And they do have a community takeover claim on DEX Screener, and it says it happened December 15th is when the community took over, and this token is still going strong. So go check it out. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about the Magaverse token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.